YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. One of my favorite little garage nooks, if you guys have seen this, my YouTube videos, you've seen me in this place before. I really, really like it. It's a little cool angle. Believe it or not, it makes this car look awesome. So I've always been here with red cars, maybe a white car, but I don't think I've ever been here with any other car. Maybe, not even a black car yet. But that being said, look how awesome that looks. Oh my gosh. I love that color. That looks so good. It's like a spaceship. That is so crazy. It's not too light like the normal liquid silver. The tsunami color looks amazing. It's almost the same color as the concrete. It looks super futuristic. Hey, so we're here to do our first mod. But first, I saw a couple comments and on Instagram, people are like, "Oh, don't touch this one. It's such a unique type of car. Don't touch it. Don't change it." Because I'm notorious for changing the Celicas a whole bunch. That being said, I'm gonna change this thing a ton. Let's go over a couple things first. I did order a lot of parts, so let's go ahead and tell you guys those parts, and then we'll jump into the first mod that I'm gonna do. So I actually do have new plates. I need to change the plates on there. We're gonna be deleting that front license plate immediately. That's gonna go. We're not gonna rock a front license plate. Headlights, those are gonna go for sure. Look at those things. They're actually pretty hazed over. They just don't look good. Side markers, we're doing the MITCHDORE.COMHOW side markers. Those will be coming actually really, really soon. I think I'm going to, on the fog light down below, let me show you guys that actually turns on. Yeah, this car is sick. So you guys can see that the fog light actually turns on. That looks really cool. I actually like that a lot. They're actually kind of whitish. Now that they warmed up, they're still pretty yellow. I'll probably change the bulbs out for some kind of LED bulb that will go in there. Headlights, I've ordered new headlights. We're gonna be doing really, really nice black headlights. So I'm gonna do a lot of black on this, get rid of all chrome again, and just do black accents. I will be debadging this. I won't leave the Toyota badge there. Again, no license plate. Wheels gone, they're gonna go, but I'm replacing them with something that are gonna be really good. I actually removed the wheels out of the car. They were in the car. Definitely gonna be doing some tint, absolutely. But wheels for sure gotta go. Taillights probably gonna go as well. Those are for sale on MITCHDORE.com. LED, we're gonna get some LED license plate tabs. Those are dated looking. We'll get the LED ones from MITCHDORE.com. Exhaust, yes. Go to my Instagram. You guys will see the exhaust. I will do that as well. It is actually pretty quick for a naturally aspirated 1.8 liter. I love these little cars. Antenna, we'll probably do something with that because it's a giant one. But I'm gonna be doing, suspension. We are definitely gonna put the car down. I don't think I'll be doing coilovers. I think I might actually, well, I've already ordered springs. Why did I do springs? Just because the last time I had coilovers, I really didn't like them. And I just wanna use springs. I rocked Tanabe springs on one of my Celicas forever, and they were terrific. So I am trying a different brand of springs, lowering springs. Why? Because the ones that I bought are gonna lower even further. So the first mod, let's jump into it. We're gonna do the first mod. It's gonna be a MITCHDORE.com TRD badge. So swing by MITCHDORE.com. You're gonna need a couple things, but the reason I decided to do this in a parking garage is because how easy it is. You don't need a garage, you don't need all your tools, you don't need all that. All right, so we are inside this brand new looking interior. Look how nice this thing looks. It looks super good. I love it. Oh, it looks awesome. I love these interiors. They're fighter jet. They're actually based off of a fighter jet with a little hump in the middle right there. That looks like a fighter jet. Wow, those are so cool. That being said, most of my subscribers, their badges are scratched or do not look good with the OEM hat, or they're faded or whatnot. So we came up with a remedy of this. We got TRD badges. Those look amazing. Oh, look at the difference. Boom, 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 boom. That looks so good. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. It's very simple. All right, so when you order this on MITCHDORE.com, you'll get a badge and then you'll get some instructions. It'll be shipped right to you. With the badge, you get instructions. The first thing that you wanna do is you're gonna take rubbing alcohol and you're gonna clean this. I use one of my, you can grab a MITCHDORE microfiber. Grab one of my microfibers. Let's go ahead and look here. So MITCHDORE, these things are awesome, they're huge, look at that. So you can grab one of these microfibers and use them to scrub. First off, you're gonna wipe this clean. But the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take some nail polish or, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take some nail polish or rubbing alcohol. So I got some nail polish remover. Why are you doing this? Because you're gonna make the the surface very adhesive. What does that mean? It means that the backing of these have sticky to them. They come pre-taped, pre-sticky, so this just gets a nice sticking background. So we'll just go in a nice little circle like this. Once you have that done and you're ready to mount it, since it's dry, turn your wheel on so that you can get it perfectly perpendicular or straight, just the way that you want it, perfectly straight. The way I like to do it is there's the speedometer needle. You just look right at the speedometer needle and get it perfect straight like that. Once it's straight, you're good to go. So we'll leave it like that. You're gonna take your badge out of the seal that it comes with. Now, if you really want to do it really properly, you can bring up an air dryer and get it really hot and heat, and it'll be even more tacky. I do recommend doing that, but today it's like 100 degrees outside, so it's pretty warm. I don't mind not having it. Now, if it's colder winter weather, definitely do it that way. But what you're gonna do is just set it right in the middle. It's gonna be an overlay. It's perfect. You don't have to remove anything. It's super simple. You're just gonna set it right on there. Bam, just like that. It is the most easy install, and it looks so good. Oh my gosh. You know I had to do this first. Look at these. These are very, very popular. Everyone seems to like them. I've sold hundreds of them. It really transforms the steering wheel, especially since they made these. I always wanted this. They made a TRD steering wheel, but it's like $1,200 for a used one, and no one wants to pay that. So go to MITCHDORE.com, swing by, grab one of these, and then I'll go ahead and do a quick edit of the aftermath. Man, that's so easy. It's done. Just like that. It fits perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh, so good. Again, swing by MITCHDORE.com. I love these. This is just totally transforms that. Oh, that looks so good. Absolutely simple first mod, very easy. Highly recommend them. I love them. I think they really dress up that steering wheel. Fortunately, this steering wheel is in brand new condition. Now, if yours isn't in brand new condition, throw one of these badges on there. It actually really spruces it up. It works on GT, GTS, MR2, pretty much Corollas. I think all steering wheels that have one that look like mine, it'll fit right on the horn, the cowboy hat. It'll fit right over that. It's just an easy, simple overlay. It sticks there. It's perfectly, anyone can do it. It's a 1 out of 1, or it's a 1 out of 5 install. Very simple. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. We'll come back with a lot more mods on this. I cannot wait to really dress up this car and make it look absolutely perfect the way I want it. A lot of black and thundercloud accents to it. It's gonna look really good. Again, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. We're definitely gonna be removing these floor mats. I gotta get rid of these floor mats. Definitely gonna be removing the stickers off of here. There's just a lot of things. And these chrome wheels, they gotta go. I totally agree with all you guys. Again, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.